Okay, I'm back. Sorry for the abrupt ending of last episode. It was just the recording ran over 10 minutes. I think I'm just gonna let it run over, and if it stops abruptly, I'll just go over what happened. So that way I'm not cutting off the episode short of 10 minutes. So anyway, we were putting in the command for the Archer box. So the Archer box was negative 230, 57, and 56, and 570. Again, that's correct because it should be 2 x coordinates, or z coordinates, to the right, which it is. Yeah, okay. So, set block air, or set block, put in your coordinates, 57, 570 with air. Control A, Control C, Control V, and 56. Okay. So, obviously, now when we click this button, it shouldn't even. So if it took away the blocks, it's not working properly. Okay. So it didn't take away the blocks. So let's go ahead and we're going to add another button that's just going to cancel the shot progression. So restart progression. There we go. So that's just going to restart the progression. So say, like how I'm going to make it in the video, I'm going to basically make a playthrough of it, in a sense. So, and also if you're wondering why that appears, so the player doesn't lose food, I'm giving them a saturation effect every 3 to 4 seconds. So, yeah. So now we also have to make a button to go back. So, I just like to put equal signs because it makes it look nice. So, go back. This will take them back to the Mob Arena lobby, which I don't really. Okay, I'll set up I will show you guys how to set up like one of these where you just walk into it and it'll teleport. It's a little bit more complex, but I think it's better because it looks nicer. Because would you rather have that or that? I mean, it's that way the player doesn't have to, waste their energy by just clicking a button. Anyway, so we're gonna add 30 coins. So now when we click the warrior class, our coins went down by 15. And then when we click the archer class, our coins didn't go down. Oh, I didn't put in the yeah, so I would always recommend putting in the stuff. So, and it should have destroyed. Yep. Okay, so it's working properly. It's just that wasn't correct. So add 15. So let's go ahead and try that again just to make sure that that is correct. Okay, so warrior, yep, archer, yep, okay. So it took away your coins, and then, yep, let me set this up here so it looks nice. I think if we put 2 slabs, right, it should, is there even, oh, there is quartz slabs, okay. Does it show up? I'll just go like this, that looks pretty cool. We'll do that around the whole. is that not? Oh well, okay. So, what next? Oh, okay, yeah. So, I think this will be the end. Oh, wait, no, okay, so I'll show you guys how to set up one of these. But I think I'm just gonna leave it for the next episode. I mean, I know that I said that I want to cut these short, but it's gonna be a complex thing, and it'll be kind of hard to understand if I, stop. Well, anyway, so I'll show you the beginning. I'll show you the first step. So you're gonna have your area, and then under your area, you're gonna have a hopper clock, which, if you know how to do this, so you're just gonna place a hopper, then you're gonna press shift, and then you're gonna right click on that hopper, which means this hopper is going to, like, any items and going to this hopper will go into this hopper. Well, then you're gonna break that hopper, shift click, and then right click on this hopper. And basically what this is gonna do is, and then with the comparator is looking for this. So as you see, it's just a way, it's basically like a redstone thing. Have you seen where like creates a redstone block, but then it'll destroy it. Okay, there we go. And then it'll like creates a clock, but this just is the same thing, but it's kind of slower, but it's just easier in my mindset. Let me just make that quartz. Sorry, I have OCD. Okay, there we go. So now we're just gonna build this, get some redstone and a repeater. So, and if you notice something, when this is pulsing, it only goes one block from the comparator. So if you go like this, then it's plentiful. Anyway, so you're gonna have this going to a command block. Just go ahead and grab. And then you're going to write down the coordinates of when you're inside this block. So -223, 56, 523. There you go. Okay. So, and then you type test4, and it doesn't matter if you use slashes or not. So it's basically doing the same thing. So you're gonna type test4, and then all players, and then bracket, and then x equals whatever your x equals, which is the first number. So if, in my case, that's 223, and then comma y equals, which is the second number in your coordinates, and then z equals 523. Then you put in the radius of the box, which in my case it's only 1. Then end bracket, and then Minecraft or redstone comparator. So I'm gonna stop the episode there, and I will see you guys in the next episode.